This video demonstrates cash payment under vouchers.
Cash payment is the proof of transaction between two parties.
The voucher is important because it is an internal accounting control mechanism that ensures every payment is appropriately authorized. To add a new cash payment voucher, click on Add New Voucher. Select where the cash is paid from, whether cash drawer or any other account which has cash as its account type. Select the account to whom the voucher is paid to. When a party is selected, the current balance is displayed. Add relevant details, amount you want to pay. Click Add. Enter optional remarks if any. Click Save. A cash payment voucher can be cancelled as well. The cancelled voucher will stay in the record. However, it will not affect the subsequent ledgers the entry is recorded against. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.